Hey guys, we tried doing, we can't talk loud because it's late and I don't know why I'm doing this on YouTube without a shirt, but we got a new puppy and my dad was still awake, but he asked me to get a puppy. He was like, sure. And right over there, we got him actually earlier, huh? Yeah. It's only how old, 6, 7, yeah. Just over there in our little fort. We'll show y'all the fort. So that's a little fort right there. Alright, so let me go get the puppy and I'll be right back. Come here, pup. Come here. Where you at, Big Daddy? Come here, bud. Come see, bud. Come here. Daddy, come. Come, bud. Come. Come on. Come on. Get up. Come on. Get up. Come on. Come on. Come on, Daddy. Get out. Come on. Come on here, bud. Get there. Come on. His name's Big Daddy. Not that good. He's a big daddy. Okay, enough of that. We could do the salt thing, but I don't want to do it anymore. I already did it. You put the salt on your wrist? Oh, let's do that again. No, Jacob, stop. I'm going to do it again. So, guys, my battery's low. It's only on 17%. But if you want to check it out, subscribe. Ooh. Oh, and give it a thumbs up with your head. Yeah. Alright, guys, and we'll see you next time.